about to show you how you can give yourself your very own channel review to help you get more views and subscribers on YouTube. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert, and what I do on a regular basis is help people review their YouTube channel and get the most out of their experience. Now I'm here to help you understand how you can do it for yourself and maybe save a few pennies. Or of course, if you want a more deep diving report through every fine detail of your analytics, you can always email me and we can chat. But here's a freebie just for you for watching this video. Branding! Now this is the thing that wraps your entire channel. This could be your channel art, this could be your avatar, this is how you are perceived on social media platforms everywhere. You need to make it as easy as possible for someone to have a look at your thumbnail and realise it's you, your videos, and what you do. I recently updated my very own channel banner to put a nice friendly smiley face as my avatar. I put that avatar in my channel banner, and my channel banner clearly says that I do YouTube social media tips and I create content Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I reflect my pretty face in all of my thumbnails, and I keep a very similar and familiar red, black, white colour thumbnail palette, right, in which I rotate. So you'll see them on a regular basis. You know that thumbnail is me, or at least you'll know the slanted boxes, the colours are me. Once you've established your branding, you need to establish what you do, and your channel name can say a lot about that. Do you want to be taken seriously? Mine says Alan Spicer, so it's all about me, my tips and what I am teaching you. If you are going by a pseudonym or a gamer tag, that's fine, but will you be easily able to hand over a business card or shout it in a nightclub for someone to remember? You don't want to be Danny does XXXY67444 and you'll be doing YouTube tutorials, or you're doing child's play, or you're doing mukbang and eating and recipes because Danny what now? Food what now where? You also need to understand, is it you or your business? Are you going to be making content as Alan Explores Arizona, where I'm a travel vlogger, or am I a real estate agent based in Arizona called AZ Houses? That needs to be obvious in the focus of your name, because Alan Does Arizona or Alan Travels Arizona clearly says it's an Alan person travelling a location called Arizona, and AZ Houses is clearly AZ for Arizona and houses, so it's not going to be doing food and it's not going to be doing skydiving. Homepage channel layout. This is something that is often overlooked. Click on your own channel homepage, it will load. You have the option to customise that into recently uploaded videos and a load of playlists. If you haven't customised it, it looks bland, it looks boring, it does not engage people, it will not get you channel views or subscribers. It just looks like you don't care and it's unprofessional. Channel trailer. Exactly the same reason. If I'm not subscribed to your channel and I hop onto your channel, a trailer will play if you've uploaded it. This channel trailer, in my experience, should be around about a minute long, and it should be pure and simply you explaining very quickly in an elevator pitch who you are, why they should even care about you, what value you can add to their life, and how to subscribe. So in my case, mine says, hello, I'm Alan Spicer, I'm a YouTube certified expert. I'm here to teach you tips and tricks about all the things that I've learned in my life through failures and successes. I create content on a regular basis, etc, 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 and then I point to a subscribe button, or I clearly advise them to subscribe if that's a value they want in their life. If your channel trailer just turns out to be one of your most recent videos, people may not understand the narrative, people may not understand your quirkiness, they may not be engaged at all. So give them a hook, make it frictionless, make them understand who you are and why. Have you set your upload defaults? These are the things that populate your videos immediately when you upload. In my case, it always has some suggested playlists, it has my affiliate links, it has a way for you to contact me, and it makes it easier for me to start writing descriptions. It speeds things up for me. Why is that important as part of a channel review? Because consistency will help funnel people into playlists, and the more playlist views those get, the higher they rank. If there is no consistency, and out of 100 videos you've only got those upload defaults 3 or 4 times, then it's not going to give that playlist the best chance of getting views, the best chances of that subscribe link being clicked or that affiliate link being done. Are you using the end screens or the info cards? You've done all the hard work to drive people to you, they've finally found you, but you're letting them go to waste because you're not pushing them somewhere else when you are done. Along with the upload defaults and the links in the descriptions, the end screens give you a chance to funnel people where they need to go. It helps you establish your brand, push them towards ebooks or your website. Why get them hooked push them all the way to the end and have them run away to a competitor with very similar content, and they subscribe there and never see you again. Also, info cards are very good at grabbing people before they leave. Let's say you've made a 3-minute video, you've delivered on the promise, they get bored a minute and 50 seconds in, you can pop a card just in, and before they disappear you can hook them and pull them away, so you still keep them somewhere. Have you got a clear established niche, something, a message, a value that you are offering? If you are throwing up random videos, gaming this week, mukbang next week, random recipes the following, then I'm cleaning, then I'm traveling to Arizona, then I'm selling a house, it gets confusing. You're able to come here and you know that I'm going to teach you something social media-y, something that will help you make better videos, whether it's an Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, whether it's me teaching you how to get more subscribers or more views, or it's me trying to motivate you into creating content. It's very much in the same sphere. It's go create something and this is how you can do it a bit better maybe. If your content's a bit scattershot, they may subscribe for all the things about retail, but they don't care about you eating foods. They might really love that Thai chicken recipe, but they don't care if you sell homes. You built an audience that wants to see your content. There's nothing more annoying than having a YouTube bail on you and not creating regular content. One of the pillars of my YouTube growth is consistency. I've uploaded at least 3 videos every week since this channel was born. That helped me grow my YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers in just less than 2.5 years, and continues to grow right now at around about 600 subscribers per month and accelerating, because consistency, back catalogue, regular videos and loyal viewers, because I am loyal to them. To you. When you're watching your favourite TV show, you learn that, okay, it's every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so I'll tune in, that's the same TV characters, that's the same storyline, and I get to know, and it ingrains into my head. It also builds a routine. That way you know you get home from work, you can feed the cat, you can sit down, you have a cup of tea, you know you've always got 10 minutes to watch whatever, and then your game show comes on or your TV show comes on, and you build it into your routine. You actually make time to deliberately watch Hollyoaks or Holby City, Game of Thrones. You as a YouTuber want that. You want your audience to remember, okay, Alan puts out a video every Friday, Alan puts a video out every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it's always around about 2 o'clock-ish, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock-ish UK time, so that's blah o'clock for me. Maybe you're sat in Australia and you know before you go to bed you get to watch Alan, or every time you wake up there's always a video waiting for you. You build a routine around me. You want your audience to build a routine around you, and then you just learn that everything about this channel can get better. Have a look at your last video. Is the lighting a bit crap? Learn, make it better. Have a look at your last video. Is the sound a bit tinny? Learn, make it better. Have a look at your analytics. Are people disappearing within the first minute? Try and understand why. Are you taking too long to get to the video topic? Or is it completely about something else? Learn, have a look, change, adjust, get better, because the better you get, the better your videos will be, the more engaging they will be, the more likely they are to subscribe, and just generally engage with you. If you need help making better videos, I've done a playlist up here, and if you need any help with any of the features that I've mentioned, there's a playlist here.